Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 21st June of 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are Hope and Promise and the Rise of Risey. So, once let's go through the second topic that were given and we'll discuss the first topic today in our class. Okay, the rise of Raisi. The new president should use his clout to push for economic political reforms in Iran. Okay, means see a clout, it means the influence and the power or a hard hit, means to influence someone with their powers, okay, or to hit them in their political leadership or whatever in their life. Okay, so let's get into our today's topic. Hope and promise. The center's move to engage with the political leadership in Kashmir is welcome, signaling a revival of the political process in Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has decided to meet 14 party leaders from the Union Territory on June 24. Mr. Modi's outreach is taking place nearly 2 years after the state of Jammu and Kashmir was stripped of its special constitutional status and dismembered into two union territories through an unprecedented exercise of the center's power. Okay, see, in this para we have, until now what we read, we have four meanings. Revival, it means important, betterment, or comeback, or we even can say rebirth or recharge, to do something again. Okay, revival, improvement, comeback, rebirth, recharge, or betterment. Outreach, outreach means outdo, surpass, excel, exceed. Okay, outdo, surpass, exceed, or excel. Not that excel, excel. Okay, strip off means denude, remove, take away, or disrobe. Okay, disrobe. Dismembered, disjoint, butcher, or mutilate. To disjoint or to do opposite to something. Membered, dismembered, okay, in such a way. So in here the center's movement means the center has taken a move to engage with the political leaders in the Kashmir, which was coming soon, and the signal that was revival means that improved for the political process in the Jammu and Kashmir is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has decided to meet 14 party leaders from the Union Territory on the 24th June this year. 24th June, he's gonna meet. Means he's going to meet. Okay. Mr. Modi's outreach is to be placed nearly 2 years after the state of the Jammu and Kashmir has got out, and these status and the disjointment between them is into the Union Territories. That was through an exercise of the using the center's powers. Okay, this demonstrates a desirable flexibility in his approach towards resolving the Kashmir issue. Considering the absence of an agenda from the meeting and the prevailing sense of betrayal among Kashmiris, any hope of a quick resolution to the frozen political questions is not realistic. Okay, see, betrayal, it means to cheat, or disloyalty, dishonesty, or treachery. Okay, disloyalty or dishonesty or treachery or cheat, to do something against them, to cheat. Okay, means the demonstrations that were taken, which were that were towards for resolving the Kashmir issue. Means there was a which was considering the absence of the meeting that was for the sense of for the cheating cases among the Kashmiris, and there was no any hope of the quick resolution between the frozen political questions, and it was not like what it's not real. Okay, discontinuing the special status of Kashmir was a core agenda of Hindutva nationalism for decades, which was achieved after the second parliamentary victory of Mr. Modi in 2019. There has been a concerted campaign to undermine political parties and leaders of the valley by the BJP and the centre. Okay, see here, concerted, it means joint, united, or coordinate or coordination. Okay, see here, in concerted, right, it means to join. Okay, so concerted, joint, united, or coordinate or coordination. Okay, so here the Kashmiris Hindutva nationalism that was coming from the decades which was achieved after the second parliamentary victory that was of Mr. Modi in 2019, and there has also been a coordination campaign that was under the political parties and the leaders of the valley by the BJP and the centre. Okay. Since 2014, the BJP has worked under a premise that the PDP and NC were impediments, not facilitators, to a solution in Kashmir. Okay, see here, undermine, it means to make weaker, to make someone weaker or to make something weaker. It's known as undermine. And impediments, it means obstruction, hindrance, and halt. Impediments, it means obstruction, hindrance, or halt, or we also can say bus stop. Okay, means to stop something doing. The BJP's short-lived alliance with PDP, far from building bridges, created more hostility between the parties and delegitimized both in the eyes of the public. The leaders of mainstream parties, including former chief ministers, were jailed. The political environment has changed meanwhile. Okay. See here, delegitimized. It means withdrawal of legitimate status, means like unwanted or okay. So withdrawal of the legitimate status is known as delegitimized. The Joe Biden administration is eager to end the US entanglement in Afghanistan and resist China's attempts to dominate the world. India is in a standoff with China on the border. The Biden administration is publicly disapproving of India's Kashmir policy while wanting to strategically embrace it. Pakistan is trying to reclaim its strategic advantage. The mishandling of the COVID-19 pandemic has dented India's global image and triggered new political changes domestically. All these make rigidity less rewarding in India's Kashmir policy. All the same, by creating an opportunity to explore a way forward, the centre has acted wisely. Regardless of its reasons, it must engage the political parties in good faith and with an good open mind. Okay, see Here entanglement, it means complication, maze or involvement. Complication, maze or involvement. Okay, means the political environment that has changed, and the Joe Biden, this administration has also ended up in the US entanglement, in the US accomplishment in the Afghanistan, and they also resist the China's attempts to dominate the world. Also, India has also stood with the China on the border, so that the Biden administration now is disapproving of India's the Kashmir policy. And while they want the strategical embrace, Pakistan is also trying to reclaim its strategic advantage. But these mishandling COVID-19 pandemic has made the India's global image, and they triggered the new political challenges that were taken now in India Kashmir policy. Now, by creating an opportunity for the way forward that we have to go front, the center has acted, and they gave a regardless reasons for us. So it means it must engage with the political parties in a good faith, means to have a good faith, and to give with an open good mind. Kashmir's governance challenges are not managerial and corruption investigations, legitimate as they may be. The meeting must be a beginning towards a durable and democratic resolution of the Kashmir question, and not an exercise in managing the center's image. Okay. See here, incubate, it means revision, or keep an egg at right temperature, develop without showing signs. Okay, means to do something or to revise something, what we have to do, whether it's correct or wrong. So this is our today's topic. Thank you.